Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're diving into a nighttime skincare routine for dry skin. This routine is all about transforming your skin while you sleep, waking up with that healthy, hydrated glow. Alright, let's talk about cleansing. It's the cornerstone of any good skincare routine, and it's especially crucial for maintaining healthy, happy skin. So many people, especially those with dry skin, shy away from cleansing. And I get it. The fear of that tight, uncomfortable feeling afterwards can be a real deterrent. You don't want that tight, uncomfortable feeling afterwards. But here's the thing, cleansing is non-negotiable, even for my dry skin friends. But trust me, cleansing is non-negotiable, even for my dry skin friends. The key is to do it right, and that's where double cleansing comes in. We're going to start with an oil-based cleanser. This is the first step in the double cleansing process. Oil cleansers attract and break down impurities like sunscreen, makeup, and pollution without stripping your skin of its natural oils. They're gentle, yet effective. Take a dime-sized amount and gently massage it onto dry skin. This helps to dissolve all the grime and makeup. Now for the second part of the double cleanse, we're going in with a water-based cleanser. This step is crucial for a thorough cleanse. This step ensures that any lingering impurities are completely gone. It leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. Opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid. These ingredients help to maintain your skin's moisture balance. Massage it in for 60 seconds and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. This ensures that your skin is perfectly prepped for the next steps in your skincare routine. Now let's talk about makeup removal. It's an essential step in your skincare routine that ensures your skin stays healthy and radiant. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest and most delicate on your face, making it prone to dryness and irritation. This area requires extra care and attention. My go-to for this step is a good micellar water. It's gentle yet effective, perfect for removing makeup without causing any harm. Soak a cotton pad with micellar water and gently press it onto your eyelids and lashes for a few seconds to dissolve the makeup. This allows the product to break down the makeup without needing to rub, then gently wipe away the makeup in a downwards motion. This technique helps to avoid tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes. Avoid any harsh rubbing or back and forth motions. These can cause irritation and even lead to fine lines and wrinkles over time. If you're dealing with stubborn waterproof mascara, hold the soaked cotton pad over your lashes a little longer. This gives the micellar water more time to break down the product, making it easier to remove without excessive rubbing. Alright, now that our skin is clean, it's time to hydrate. Hydration is key to maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion. Without proper hydration, our skin can become dull, flaky, and more prone to fine lines and wrinkles. This is where a hydrating essence comes into play. It's a crucial step in any skincare routine, especially if you want to achieve that dewy, radiant look. Essences are like a tall drink of water for your skin. They penetrate deeply to deliver moisture and nutrients right where your skin needs them the most. They're lightweight, watery formulas packed with hydrating and nourishing ingredients. These ingredients can include hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and various botanical extracts that work together to replenish and soothe your skin. To apply, pour a few drops into your palms and gently pat it into your skin. This method helps the essence to absorb more effectively, ensuring that your skin gets the maximum benefit. Focus on areas that tend to be drier, like your cheeks and around your mouth. These areas often need extra hydration to stay soft and supple. And don't forget about your neck and décolletage. These areas are just as important and can show signs of aging if neglected. Treat them with the same care as your face for a truly comprehensive skincare routine. Now it's time to give our skin some extra love with a targeted treatment. For dry skin, I recommend a serum rich in humectants and emollients. Look for serums with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, or squalane. These ingredients draw moisture into the skin and lock it in. Start with a pea-sized amount and gently massage it into your skin. Focus on any areas that are particularly dry or irritated. We're on the final step, locking in all that goodness with a nourishing sleeping cream. Sleeping creams are thicker and richer than daytime moisturizers and work their magic while you sleep. Look for creams with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or shea butter. Warm a pea-sized amount between your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin. Use upward circular motions to promote blood circulation, and there you have it. And that's a wrap. Your PM routine for dry skin, simplified and effective. Remember, consistency is key, so make this routine a part of your nightly ritual. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more skincare tips. Sweet dreams and happy skincare.